Master's Insight number 219. The Inherent Design Flaws of HEPA. Phenomena and Analysis. Author, Fu-Chi Wu, The Master. Co-author, Vickor AC. Date, September 27, 2025. Photo 1, Dust stuck on filter surface. Truth explanation. Surface blockage, not deep filtration. Dust piles on the surface only. Even frame and support covered. Dust not drawn in, not locked. HEPA defect is mesh sieve logic. Big particle stuck, small slip through. Surface thickens, inside stays empty. Surface dust forms a fake filter. Within days, it blocks airflow fully. Pressure builds, air escapes through leaks. The strong wind you feel is dirty. Core truth of photo 1. HEPA blocks dust outside, not inside. Filters look clean but fail in days. Photo 2, airflow bypasses the filter. Truth explanation. Dust lies on frame, not fibers. If air passed through, dust locks inside. Dust on metal proves wrong airflow path. Blockage raises resistance and pressure. Air chooses least resistance, the leaks. Dust carried to frame by bypass air. User feels airflow, thinks filter works. Reality is leakage, not filtration. Output air is dirty, unfiltered. Core truth of photo 2. HEPA forces bypass within days. Dust lies in wrong places. Not filtration but fake action. Photo 3, after vacuum, false clean. Truth explanation. Surface dust removed, internal clog remains. Deep micropores blocked by PM 1.0. Also blocked by PM 0.3 particles. Vacuum cannot reopen these fine pores. Illusion makes users believe reuse. Dust film already acts like plastic. Air cannot pass, wind leaks around. Static charge holds large particles outside. Vacuuming makes them fall off. Filter looks new but is dead. Core truth of photo 3. HEPA lifespan is days, not months. Clean white look is pure disguise. It is only leaky white cloth. Photo 4, machine becomes pollutant. Truth explanation. Dust fills housing, base, and corners. If filter worked, dust stays inside. Instead, dust scatters throughout housing. Proof of airflow bypass. Fan still spins after blockage. Airflow escapes through housing gaps. User feels airflow, but unfiltered. Dust shaken loose inside housing. Fan blows second-hand dust out. Purifier becomes polluter of the room. Core truth of photo 4. HEPA after clog is reverse purifier. Running longer makes air dirtier. Additional truth, human intake greater. Visible dust is tip of iceberg. Larger particles stay on the filter. Deadly PM 0.1 pass through unnoticed. They go into indoor air. They go into your lungs. Human body is final filter. Nose and alveoli catch everything. Unlike filters, lungs cannot be replaced. Particles accumulate permanently in tissues. This accelerates toxin saturation point. Dysfunction and organ failure follow. Visible dust is 10% only. 80 to 90% penetrates body. Toxins in body 10 times filter. Core truth of human intake. HEPA traps dust, but humans more. People finish the filter's job. Every modern person is human filter. The 5-step chain of HEPA death. Geophysical explanation. Step 1, large particles block entrance. PM10 to PM2.5 hit fibers. They stick on the front face. Like bricks forming foundation layer. Step 2, medium particles fill gaps. Passages narrower after bricks layer. PM 1.0 to PM 2.0 shoved in. They act like gravel filling spaces. Step 3, small particles penetrate deeper. PM 0.3 to PM 1.0 diffuse inside. Brownian motion makes them stick. They act like sand sealing gaps. Step 4. Ultrafine particles glue all. PM 0.1 and smaller countless in number. They adhere by van der Waals. They adhere by electrostatics. They act like cement binding all. Step 5. Dust layer plastic film. Bricks, gravel, sand, cement form wall. Thickness 0.1 mm blocks air. Fan cannot overcome resistance anymore. Airflow escapes leaks instead of filter. What you feel is dirty air. Conclusion of HEPA death chain. This process is inevitable in air. HEPA dies in 2 to 7 days. Depends only on pollution level. Visible dust is tip of iceberg. Ultrafine toxins in body 10 times. Daily life-ending scene. On the first day, HEPA blocks only 10 to 20%. The remaining 80 to 90% goes straight into your lungs. By the second day, the bypass continues without mercy. You keep breathing toxins. The filter never stopped. After 1 week, the filter is a dead wall. Now 100% of pollutants enter your body. Particles never stop. They pour into your lungs. Your lungs become the only true filter. What cannot be inhaled falls onto floors and shelves. What stays suspended goes into every breath. This cycle means your home is never cleaner, only dirtier. The purifier you trust feeds poison back into you. But in sealed offices, toxins chase you day and night. 8 hours of work means 10,000 breaths. HEPA dies in 2 to 7 days. Everything else goes into your body. Windows sealed, pollution trapped. People become human filters. Not only inhaled, also sticking to skin and clothes, eyes and throat. Year after year, toxins accumulate bit by bit, leading to dysfunction, then organ failure, then premature death. This is the real horror scene. Office workers are pitiful protagonists. They think they are in towers, but they are in toxic incubation chambers.